By the end of this video, you're going to know how to use your vintage old lenses on the Canon R5 and how to nail focus every single time while you are using them. Now, the appeal to the vintage lenses is that they're nostalgic, they have a little bit of extra flair and character. Sometimes they're just simply fun to use. But for whatever reason you are throwing a vintage lens on your Canon R5, it's going to be a little bit tricky if you don't know these settings. So I'm going to show you first off, you're going to need the adapter right there. So you're going to need to be able to throw that adapter on if you don't have one. They're in short supply right now because of, all sorts of stuff. So the very first setting I'm going to show you is in the autofocus number 2 under manual peaking settings right there. And you just go into that and turn it on. It's already selected to be red and high, so I think that's perfectly fine. You just keep it at that, and what happens is when you are focusing, you will see the area in focus have a red highlight around it. Now, this is going to help you nail focus because sometimes with manual focus lenses, we're all just way too spoiled currently with our amazing autofocus, especially out of the R5 and the R6 series. So once you've done this, you still might not be able to take a picture. And the reason for that is that you have to release the shutter without a lens, because right now it just doesn't detect anything on the front of the camera. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over into the orange camera under the tab number 4 and release shutter without lens. Pretty straightforward and simple. You select that and then you're going to be able to take your pictures. Right there. Oh, I have a silent shutter on, whatever. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Daniel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any future content to help you nail your next photo shoot with your Canon mirrorless camera. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.